In this tutorial, I'll show you how to upload music to Spotify on Androids. At first, tap on this account icon at the top left corner of your screen. Then tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and you'll locate the local files. Tap on it. Here, you have to enable show audio files from this device. When you tap and enable it, it will add tracks from this device into your library. Now, at the bottom, you'll find the options of your library. Tap on it. Okay, so here we have got our local files. Tap on it. You'll get all the locals files that you have on your device. If you want to upload your one music to Spotify, you cannot upload it until you have a distributor. So first of all, you have to find distributor and go through the processes. For this video, if you don't find any local files after enabling it, you can simply email to the Spotify supporters and I hope they will fix your problems. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial. See you guys in the next video.